Alright everyone, happy Tuesday and let's get started. Today we dive deep into the world of web application frameworks. If you've been keeping an eye on web app development over the past decade, you've probably noticed some big shifts. Nowadays, we've got three major players on the scene: React, Angular, and Vue.js. Each one has its own flavor, strengths, and challenges. Let's break down React first. Did you know it was born in the tech corridors of Facebook? It's not your typical framework, but more of a specialized JavaScript library. What's cool about React is its component-based architecture. This means developers can craft reusable UI components without breaking a sweat. And here's a fun fact: React powers about 30% of modern websites. That's huge. Now, what makes React so loved? Well, at its heart lies the virtual DOM. This is a game changer because it ensures that only the components with data changes get re-rendered. The result is super fast and efficient apps. Plus, React has a vast ecosystem. Think of libraries like Redux for state management. This gives developers a ton of tools to play with. Also, if you're a business, React's adaptability is a blessing. It meshes well with different backends and libraries, so you can customize to your heart's desire. And with its popularity, finding a React developer is a breeze. But like everything, React has its quirks. Its JSX syntax, which mixes HTML with JavaScript, can be a bit of a puzzle for new software developers. And if you aren't familiar with how to do it, setting up a React project can get complex. But where does React really stand out? If you're into platforms like Instagram, where content is king and updates are frequent, React is your best friend. It's also a gem for user interfaces that rely on reusable components and for projects that need to hit the ground running. On to the next framework on our list for today. Let's talk about Angular. This heavyweight comes straight from Google's innovative labs. Unlike React, Angular is a full-blown framework. It's designed to be an all-in-one solution for web apps, and it's built on TypeScript, a statically typed version of JavaScript. This makes it a great fit for big enterprise-level projects. So if it's more complicated, why do businesses opt to use Angular? One of its standout features is two-way data binding. This means any changes in the data model instantly reflect in the user interface and vice versa. It's like magic! And for developers, this means less manual work to keep the UI in sync with the data. Angular also embraces the dependency injection design pattern, which is a win for code quality. And its modularity. It's a lifesaver for big development teams. But Angular isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It has a steeper learning curve, especially with its vast feature set and TypeScript. And it's a bit of a heavyweight, which might be overkill for simpler apps. But where does Angular fit into the market right now? Think of enterprise-level applications like Google AdWords. It's also a top pick if you're looking for a holistic solution, minimizing the need for third-party tools. A couple of other good examples of web pages that use Angular are Microsoft Office Online or airline companies like Delta Airlines, both of which are obviously more complicated on the back end. Let's wrap up this video by talking about Vue.js. This one's interesting. Created by a former Google engineer, Evan You, Vue is like the best of both worlds. It combines Angular's power with an intuitive design. It's progressive, so developers can adopt its features as they go. Why do developers love Vue? Well, it's super beginner-friendly. Its API is clear, and it's backed by great documentation. Plus, Vue's reactive data system is a testament to its focus on user experience. It ensures the UI is always in sync with backend data, and its adaptability. It's a dream, whether you're integrating Vue into an existing project or starting from scratch. Although it's a solid mix of both frameworks, it doesn't have the user base of Angular or React yet. Vue's community is still growing, so even though it's a very loved framework, it might not have as many third-party resources as React or Angular. Vue is a top choice for those middle ground projects. Imagine a budding e-commerce platform. It starts small but dreams big. Vue can grow with such projects, ensuring businesses have a framework that evolves with them. Wrapping things up, there's no one-size-fits-all in web development. It's all about picking what aligns with your needs. Whether you're vibing with React's component approach, Angular's comprehensive toolkit, or Vue's balanced flexibility, your choice should be part of your strategy. In this fast-paced tech world, staying updated and adaptable is the name of the game. And speaking from experience here at Paragon Cloud Consulting, we're not just watching the web development revolution, we're right in the thick of it. Our team is passionate about crafting custom web apps that align with business goals. If you're curious about how we can elevate your project, dive deeper into our offerings located on our website. The link should be below in the description of this video. Together with your vision and our expertise, we can redefine the digital landscape. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.